On today's episode of Fuel Up, I hit the streets for delicious eats.
I'm in front of a fancy hotel and there's a horse and a carriage behind me. I'm in Victoria!
I sure am. It's time to fuel up. Let's go! I head to Victoria from Vancouver on the ferry. Feeling the need for the ocean breeze, I load on at Tsawwassen Ferry Terminal, which takes me to Swartz Bay Ferry Terminal, located just outside of Victoria. From Swartz Bay Ferry Terminal, I ride Highway 17 south. A half hour later, I arrive in downtown Victoria. I am definitely in need of a meal, so I pull into Bin 4 for their incredible burgers. I opt for the Drop the Beat, which is a venison patty topped with aged cheddar, smoked pineapple, pickled beets and onions, fried egg, butter lettuce, tomato, and garlic aioli. Holy moly!
Oh man, that flavor is delicious. Beet juice on the hands. That's really nice. That is a great special. It's messy. I got like the sweetness of the pickled beets. Hitting the creaminess of the egg and the mayo, as well as a nicely prepared venison patty. This is the first time I've had a burger with a fried egg on it. And this won't be the last time. Burger first, salad last. That's where my priorities lie. Every single one of my fingers have been messy. That's a sign of a good time as far as I'm concerned. Let's go ride some more.
Okay, let's not make that face ever again. Fueled up, I head out in search of the city's many beautiful totem poles.
More totem poles! This city's so awesome! So what you're seeing behind me is the largest totem pole in the world, made from one tree, one singular tree, 120 feet into the sky. This is the tallest one in the world! This is it right here. Oh wow, I'm getting vertigo just looking at the top. Thank goodness I pulled over to see this.
Feeling peckish, I head out to Fishermans Wharf for my next meal.
Well, it wouldn't be a trip to Victoria without going to eat at Barb's famous fish and chips. And what I have here is Barb's famous one piece. It doesn't specify what kind of fish it is, but I'm assuming it's a good kind. It's an edible kind. Oh man, look at that. Piping hot. Oh, smells so good. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, this is like light and flaky, juicy. That fish is juicy. The tartar sauce has really great flavor, balances everything out. This is great, man. I'm having a blast. This is delicious. It's sunny, it's beautiful, it's warm, and I'm on the water. That's a good root beer. That's real good. My only regret about that meal was not getting the two-piece, because seriously, the fish was that good. Here's a pro tip for all you fish and chippers out there. Always get extra tartar sauce. Get in there and tartar.
Obviously, I need dessert, so I head to the highly recommended Cold Comfort ice cream shop.
I went for the mystery box. What can it be? Ah, it's a selection of different ice cream sandwiches. What do we got here? I don't know. I think that's the beer. The beer ice cream is such a unique flavor. It's like robusty, like a hint of beer and vanilla. Really good. Looks like we got something red. What is that? Like a hint of rose, like rose water. And then we have this, which looks like chocolate. I think it's just chocolate. Man, this is awesome. Cold Comfort, fucking A. I loved Cold Comfort so much that I came back again the next day. Last night's was good, but this is also really, really good.
Victoria, you're beautiful and delicious. Thank you for feeding my belly and soul. I've been your host, Moniquea Marion. Don't forget to subscribe for more episodes and follow on Instagram at FuelUpTheShow. Thanks for watching.
Excuse me, I just burped because I'm full.